Karan, let me wish you very many happy returns of the day. I wish you very long, happy, peaceful, prosperous life. I am looking forward to see you shortly to celebrate the occasion. Thank you.
My mother used to say she was blessed to have 3 caring sons-in-law. I think her blessings have come to me doubly by having you, Karan, in our family. Not really as a son-in-law per se, but yes, as a son, maybe you can call it by law. We love you, Karan, for your care and respect for us, and above all, for your patience and resilience with which you have been supporting Preeti in the toughest of the situations. My blessings to you on your reaching the 50th milestone.
Oh, so it's a birthday coming up again, and this time it happens to be Karan. Karan to me has always been next to Prabhat, and the word in-law, by-law or any other law doesn't exist for me, right? They are like my 2 shoulders or 2 arms, and I find Karan standing up to his responsibilities as an entrepreneur very well. As a son, he's remarkable. As a husband, he has been very caring, and as a father, he's an inspiration to Kabir. This is how I look at Karan, and one thing that I find lovely with Karan is answer is always yes, give your problems. I have not seen him shying away from any responsibility and or suggestion, and he's ever ready to get down to doing the work. On this day, it's time to reflect on the past, but more so to resolve to be able to move along the chosen path, to make sure that the family works well and we are as a unit moving together. There's a bigger thing coming up, is that this 50 years has been always referred to as a part of learning. Now the next 50 years are the ones which go to share the knowledge, share the joys and share the lovely things in life. Wishing Karan on your completing 50 years as many more beautiful years ahead, and full of joy, good health, and what would you call it? Smile.
Hi Sonu, wish you a very happy 50th birthday. On this auspicious day, we wish you health, wealth and happiness all your life, and you celebrate many more in life.
Hi Sonu, happy birthday. Hope you have a nice day with your family, and I wish you all the success and happiness for your future life. And we look forward for a big party when we meet next.
Hi Karan, we wish you a very happy 50th birthday, as well as good health and happiness. I met you in India way back in January 1977 when you were only 6 years old. And look at you now. You have turned out to be a lovely, happy family man as well as a successful businessman. I wish you all the best. I hope you're having a lovely birthday celebration with your closest family.
I hope you have a nice time, and I will see you soon.
Hey Karan, happy birthday from Louisville, the greenery of the autumn here in early October. Congratulations on the 50th birthday. Nice innings. And somebody asked me to tell them when I first saw you, I think that was the day of your wedding or the day before the wedding on Sangeet. And I was amazed, I said how nice a guy this is, and not only is he good looking, but how is he going to handle my niece? And I think I'm still wondering of the same question 30 years later. And I always look forward to meeting you. You're one person I look forward to meeting every time I come to India, because you're always so nice to us and the family. I wish your mom was here to celebrate your 50th, but those are the ways of the God. And good luck to you. I hope you have all the success in your career and your family life. We'll see you soon. Good luck. Give love to everybody.
Hi Karan, a very happy 50th birthday to you. It's such a great idea that everybody gets to say a few words in these troubled times that we have. But I hope you make the best out of it and have a wonderful day. Just getting all these lovely best wishes from everyone. I remember meeting you the very first time before the ceremonies, and I was so happy that both of you caught each other's eye in your young age of early 20s, I guess, if I'm correct. And I think that was probably the best decision Preeti ever made. I don't think Naresh Bhai Sahab and Arnab Bhai could have found a better match on their own. You're such a lovely, devoted couple and a happy couple. It really makes me very happy. And I hope you live to be 100 and continue to do what you do, make your family happy. But the best thing that I like about you is your mild, wide smile. You just make the whole room come alive. I think that's such a great quality. All right, bye-bye. Love you.
करण मलिक, बचपन की एक गलती, सिर्फ एक गलती, वो क्रिकेट के फील्ड के अंदर में तेरे पीछे विकेट लेके भागना, और शायद जो तू बाय यू क्लेम, आई डू नॉट नो, तो शायद तेरे को जो विकेट लगी उसका बदला तूने पिछले 26 साल से मेरे साथ लिया। 29 साल हो गए। पहले तो प्रीति को पटाया मेरे पीछे से, मैं कॉलेज में था, नौकरी में था, फिर कॉलेज गया, फिर नौकरी करने चला गया। 5 साल तुमने जो किया मुझे कोई खबर नहीं, तो तुमने वहाँ से बदला लेना शुरू करा। बट भगवान के घर में देर है अंधेर नहीं है। पिछले 22 सालों से जो तुम भुगत रहे हो, जो मैंने शुरू के 27 साल 28 साल भुगता था, जो तुम भुगत रहे हो, उससे कोई कंपैरिजन ही नहीं है बॉस। सो आई होप दैट यू कंटिन्यू टू भुगतो लाइक दिस फॉर एज लॉन्ग एज यू आर alive. May you be more healthy than what you are right now. May you have more fun with or without Preeti. I leave it to you. But God bless you, my friend. God bless you, my brother-in-law. तुमने ओहदा तो मुझे साले का दिया है, but तुमने कभी उस तरह से फील नहीं करने दिया। So thank you so much, and I hope you have a great year ahead. Thank you. All the best to you.
Good morning, Bhai. Wishing you a very happy 50th birthday, and I wish you all the best in your life. And I wish that the video which I am sending you on your 50th birthday should send the same as on your 75th birthday and on your 100th birthday, but without the teeth. We won't be having teeth at that time. And all the best from Ashu, Ashna and Nishta. And I'm blessed to have a younger brother like you. Thank you. All the best.
Happy birthday, Karan. Your presence in my life is the most precious blessing I have received. 29 years of weaving together a beautiful and meaningful life with you have been fulfilling and truly blessed. You are my rock and my strongest pillar that has stood beside me in my worst fears, in our testing times, and during all harsh moments life had to offer. From your younger years, filled with simple aspirations to create a life of love and happiness, to the most turbulent years through mass deteriorating health, your gentle-heartedness and unshakable faith in one's dedication to a cause have seen us conquer many, many milestones. I'm blessed to share my life with you, to have you support our dreams and our mutual goals for fulfilling a beautiful life for our parents and Kabir. Karan, I'm grateful to Lord for keeping you childlike and like a wanderer. Your deep-rooted principles, passion for life and profession alike is greatly inspiring, and I hope that this virtue is inherited by our son. The love for travel, your art collections and your music, especially the one for Dirty Dancing in the 90s, has kept your feet tapping. And never to say that in these 29 years, we have been practicing those steps and yet are learning. I wish you a fulfilling life with abundance of good health, blessings from above, and immense happiness in your kind heart. Thank you for giving us our most precious gift in Kabir. He is an idol father in you. Thank you for making my life meaningful, and I love you a lot.
Happy birthday, Dad. Have the best day ever. I've always seen you as a role model to me and someone who I can look up to and trust. You're the fun parent, the parent who I can always go to for my little itty-bitty nitpickings and I always have fun with. You're the one who I share the most fond memories of going out on drives for, or just sitting and playing video games, or just watching TV with a hug. Your hugs are the absolute best and never stop giving them out. Your public displays of affection are absolutely wonderful and I hope you never stop losing them. My favorite memory with you is predominantly the one in which we went out for this one drive and we were just listening to music. I don't remember if it was to pick somebody up or to come back from somewhere, but I was just sitting with you in the car and we were just playing music and we were just having fun. And you started dancing while driving. It was really funny and I'm always gonna cherish that moment with us. Thinking back on something that I love about you is your integrity and how you never break rules or always just be real with people. You're not someone who'll ever lie to me or lie to anybody you love, and that's something I really admire about you. I really love you and I'm looking forward to celebrating the rest of today with you. Have the best day ever.
Hi, happy birthday. We hope you have a great one.
Hi Karan Fufa. Hi Karan. I hope you have a great year ahead and you get well soon fast enough to have a great party. Happy 50th!
I love you, Karan. Happy birthday, Karan. Have a great 50th. Be happy. Have a great year.
Happy birthday, Fufaji. Hi, Karan. We always knew you were perfect for our family and Preeti when we met you way back in Calcutta. We love you. We wish you good health, prosperity, peace of mind, and we look forward to partying with you soon. Take care. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Karan. Take care.
Bye bye. Happy birthday. Happy 50. I can't believe you're 50 already. Are you sure you got the number right? Maybe 10-15 saal add ho gaye by mistake. But in a way it's a good thing. I feel like now I can relate to you as a father figure better. But jokes apart, thank you for always being there, and you always give me that feeling that I have someone to look up to and to always go to. You're like my go-to person in life, and thank you for just being you. People who know you know that you're special and that you're rare. So 50, 60, 70 or 80 years old, you will always remain one in a zillion. So have a blast. I know it's difficult right now, but whatever you can, just chill, enjoy yourself, and have a great year ahead. Take care.
Hi there, Karan Master Ji and Preeti Masi, Preeti Didi. And Karan Jijaji, we are wishing you happy birthday. 50 is a big milestone birthday, and we wish we could be celebrating with you, and we wish you could be having a big celebration. But we hope this video will suffice. So, kiddos, can you please wish Karan Masterji a happy birthday?
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
I hope your wishes
Come true. You hope your wishes come true, right?
Yes!
Yes. Happy birthday. Love you. Best wishes on this big day.
And I think what you're gonna wish for is...
The wish will come true, whatever the wish is. Have a wonderful 50th birthday.
Bye!
Hi Karan, wish you a very happy golden birthday. On this occasion, I wish you all the happiness and success in life. Stay the way you are, the wonderful person you are. All the best. Wish you a very happy golden birthday again.
Lots of happy wishes for our dear Karan on this wonderful occasion. It's an impromptu speech, and wouldn't like to say anything more than you've been such a happy-go-lucky, carefree kind of a person with a serious attitude to life inside of you. The way Kabir is brought up is a source of inspiration for everyone. And Preeti, wonderful life partner, and our dear uncle and auntie, best wishes for dear uncle's good health, and the entire extended family, all the very best, and we're very lucky to have you.
Hello Karan, happy birthday to you. This is a phenomenal landmark birthday. I missed seeing you on the Zoom call. Last time we had it was a big family Zoom call. So I don't know where you were. You disappeared on us. You have that knack of disappearing, but that makes you all the more valuable. You know, we thirst to see you.
उन्हें काम भी करना होगा.
अच्छा काम कर रहा हूँ. चलो कोई बात नहीं. Enjoy your work. You're a successful guy. I admire you, and we absolutely love you. So have a great landmark birthday. Wish you a great time. Big 5-0! Yeah!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Wishing you a very, very happy birthday. I know you for a very long time, and you've been a very close friend and a confidant of mine. I'll say, who knows me in and out, other than being a lovely जीजा. मैं तो यही बोल सकता हूँ यार कि तुम जियो हज़ारों साल और हर साल के दिनों 50,000. Thank you very much.
Happy 50th birthday, Karan! I hope you have such a wonderful, lovely birthday. You are such a strong, kind-hearted and caring soul, and you deserve to have, honestly, a fabulous, fabulous birthday to celebrate everything that you've achieved in the last 50 years, which is so much. So please enjoy it, and I wish you nothing but the best for the next 70 years to come. So I am sending you all my love and light to you and your family. Please keep safe, look after yourself, and I'll hopefully see you soon. Bye!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Karan. Happy birthday to you.
जीवेम शरदय शतम, शृणुयाम शरदय शतम, प्रब्रवाम शरदय शतम, अदीनस्याम शरदय शतम, भूयश्च शरदा शता. परम पिता परमात्मा से प्रार्थना है कि तुम 100 वर्ष तक स्वस्थ और सब अंगों से वरिष्ठ बनते हुए इस जीवन को जियो, और अपने पिता का आशीर्वाद लेते हुए, सास ससुर का आशीर्वाद लेते हुए अपने बेटे को अपने से भी ऊंचा उठाने का प्रयत्न करें. आपकी जोड़ी बनी रहे. परमात्मा आपको आशीर्वाद के फूलों से हमेशा.
Happy birthday, Karan.
Top of my list would have been you never get COVID, you never get infected, but I think I'm late for that. All the very best in your coming times and coming year. I wish you success, good health, and you are a gem of a person. And it's wonderful to have you in our family. God bless you.
Hey Karan, wish you a very very happy birthday.
God bless you. तुम
Stay
जियो
happy.
तुम जियो हजारों साल साल के दिन हो 50,000। और भाई तू ऐसा ही करता रहे जैसे तू हमारा ध्यान रखता आया है, हम तेरे को उतना ही प्यार करते रहे, जिंदगी ऐसी ही चलती रहे। लेकिन ये तेरा जो बर्थडे इस बार नहीं मन पा रहा है, मैं उसके लिए बहुत बहुत गलत हूँ। ऐसे नहीं चलेगा, हम तेरे से पार्टी लेके रहेंगे। और प्रीति को भी बोल देना।
Hey Karan, happy birthday. It's been a pleasure having a wonderful and caring person like you as a part of our family.
और ਇਹਦਾ ਸਾਰਾ ਕ੍ਰੈਡਿਟ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ ਪ੍ਰੀਤੀ ਨੂੰ, ਜਿਨੇ ਤੇਰੇ ਵਰਗਾ ਬੰਦਾ ਲੱਭਿਆ ਔਰ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਠੋਕ ਪਿੱਟ ਕੇ ਇੰਨੇ ਸਾਲਾਂ 'ਚ ਇੰਨਾ ਵਧੀਆ ਬੰਦਾ ਬਣਾ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਹੈ। ਲੱਖ ਲੱਖ ਵਧਾਈਆਂ। Take care of your health, take care of your family. Have a wonderful day. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Karan Poo. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, wish you a great 50th, Karan. Have a good day. Make the most of it, and wish you a fabulous year ahead. And Ishan, do you want to wish Karan Pupu?
Happy birthday, Karan Pupu.
Yeah.
He's going to be 50
He's
years
going
old.
to be 50 years old.
50 years old.
Yeah.
Happy birthday.
50 and fabulous. Have a great birthday and an amazing year ahead. Wish
Yeah.
you lots of happiness, health and wealth. And
We miss all of you here.
yes,
So,
we miss our family.
yeah,
we miss you guys.
Yeah, and we hope to see everybody real soon, as soon as things are better.
As soon as they are safe to
really,
travel.
really look forward to meeting everybody.
Have a great time.
Have a great time. Yeah.
Enjoy yourself.
Bye.
We miss you. Bye.
Hi Karan, happy 50th birthday to you. You are an awesome guy. I wish you health, happiness and cheer for lifetime ahead. Enjoy your day. Thanks. Bye.
Hi Karan, it's been over 3 decades that we have known each other. I recall the day we met in school, perhaps on the last bench of our 12th grade, and I enjoyed all the time that we spent together, bunking classes, seeing movies at Chanakya Puri, going to Ghungru with our friends, and it's been a great journey. And on your special day, I want to wish you a very, very happy birthday with lots and lots of love, good health, and stay safe. Bye.
Happy birthday, Karan uncle. Thank you for being my papa's best friend in school. Thank you.
Hi Karan, wishing you a very very happy birthday. God continue to bless you and enjoy. Take care.
हाँ जी भाई साहब, 50 साल के हो गए आप। वेरी नाइस, गॉड ब्लेस यू। वैसे तो आपके 3 निकनेम्स हैं, बट 2 सेंसर्ड हैं, इसलिए एक ही ले रहा हूँ। हैप्पी बर्थडे डिब्बा। गॉड ब्लेस यू विद ऑल द हैप्पीनेस एंड सक्सेस इन योर लाइफ। यू बीन अ वेरी गुड सन, फ्रेंड, ब्रदर, husband and father, and I hope you remain like that. God bless you. Once again, a very happy birthday to Dibba of our world. Take care.
Happy birthday, Zanubia. May God bless you with good health and happiness always. Have a wonderful year ahead.
और अब एक गाना चलेगा जो मेरा, तेरा और चेतन का है. So enjoy the song and we'll see you soon after this pandemic is over and we'll celebrate together as me and you both have turned 50 this year. Take care and enjoy.
All the best.
दिल की ये दुआ है कभी दूर ना तू जाए, तेरे बिना हो जीना वो दिन कभी ना आए. यारा तेरी यारी को मैंने तो खुदा माना, याद करेगी दुनिया तेरा मेरा अफसाना. तेरे जैसा यार कहाँ ऐसा यार आना. याद करेगी दुनिया तेरा मेरा अफसाना.
Many happy returns of the day, Sonu. God bless you. Good health and long life. All the best. Take care. Bye.
Sonu, wishing you a very very happy 50th. मेरे लंगोटिया यार, I wish I was there for your 50th. Not this year, but I'll make it up to you next year for sure. I wish you have a wonderful day and all your wishes come true. And hope to meet you guys soon.
Happy birthday Karan, and what a fantastic 50 it has been. लेकिन मेरी पुरानी यादें तो सोनू की हैं, करण की नहीं. वो गली में क्रिकेट खेलना, फुटबॉल खेलना, बैडी खेलना और क्या नहीं खेलना. रात को तू, मैं, मनीष, रंजन सड़कें नापते रहते थे और पता नहीं कितनी रातों तक क्या क्या बातें करते थे. शायद हमें ही नहीं पता था हम क्या बोल रहे थे. और रात को पढ़ाई का बहाना करना, मनीष के घर जाना और रात को पत्ते खेलना और फिर आइसक्रीम की बेट लगाना. क्रिकेट के मैचेस जिसमें दाव पे लगती थी विकेट्स, बॉल्स, ग्लव्स, जीतना कभी हारना और फिर उसके बाद लड़ाइयाँ करना. मेरे ख्याल से DSOI का कार्ड उस टाइम की सबसे प्राइज पोजेशन था तेरे लिए. उसके कारण हमने कितनी पार्टीज अटेंड करी और कितने पिज़्ज़ा हमने चाणक्य पे खाए, वो तेरा कार्ड मार के. शायद आज भी किसी पॉकेट में वो छुपा होगा. ज़िंदगी की जितनी भी पुरानी यादें थी और जो आजकल मैं सोचता हूँ और बच्चों से शेयर करता हूँ, उसमें कहीं ना कहीं तो हमेशा ही जुड़ा था. इट्स बीन अ ग्रेट 50 years. Wishing you another 50 with equal brilliance. All the best and a very happy birthday.
Wish you a very happy milestone birthday with lots of good health and success. It's been great knowing you. Enjoy your day and fabulous years ahead.
Hi Karan, such a great milestone you're achieving, 50th birthday. Welcome to the 50 plus club. You are part of our gang and I'm so happy and I wish you from my heart and soul, have a great 50th birthday. You're one of the finest human beings I have met. Pure heart, very genuine and very humble and very simple guy. Stay that way. That's you, and love you, and lot of high energy, high years, and have a lot of fun. Happy birthday, my friend.
Happy birthday to you.
God bless you. Bye bye.
Hi Sonu Malik. Wish the golden boy a very happy golden birthday. Stay blessed, loads of luck and good wishes.
Hi Karan, it's birthday time. Happy birthday. You're getting 50. You're going to be 50. 50, 50, 50. So means Buddha. Or our friendship goes back to the China time when you started. And we had a good time and naughty time and bad time sometimes. But still, मेरा गुस्सा और तेरी लड़ाई दोनों के बराबर है हम. But still I remember those naughty days. So happy birthday, enjoy your day. Great, love you, bye.
Hi Karan, how are you? ¿Cómo estai, compañero? Buon compleanno. Wish you a very very happy birthday. Congratulations on completing 50 years, a half century. Wish you many more glorious years ahead and all the best. Very very happy birthday once again. Take care, stay safe. Cheers.
Happy birthday.
Hi Karan, happy 50th.
I guess this is not the way we had wanted to celebrate your big 50th, but
We just have to make do with what we have, right? was his one birthday we'll never forget, with Shuli being born just a few years after.
But anyway, have a fantastic day today and hope Preeti and Kabir are pampering you silly today.
Happy birthday once more. Have a fantastic day.
Bye.
Lots of love from all of us.
Hey, Karan, a very, very happy birthday, my dear friend. I wish this 50th would have been in a different environment, not the COVID days, but we come a long way. And thank you for being such a dear and a lovely friend. You're always a call away, seriously, for anything and every time. You are an amazing person, such a wonderful human being, and I'm blessed to have you around in my life. And happy 50th, and we should celebrate for sure. At the beck and call, as and when you say that. Love you, my friend, and loads of love and best wishes. Take care. Bye-bye. Cheers. Thanks.
Hi Karan ji, wish you a very, 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 very happy 50th birthday. Have loads of fun, enjoy yourself, have a great year ahead. God bless.
बहुत बहुत मुबारकबाद आपकी 50वें जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत मुबारकबाद आपको बहुत बहुत खुदा आपको भगवान आपको लंबी उम्र दे
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Karan. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Cheers to life ahead.
We hope the next 50 years are also as great as the last 50.
Yes, and I love you.
And we hope to see you soon and have a great party.
Once again, happy birthday.
And I love you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Karan uncle. Happy birthday to you.
Ciao Karan, I wanted to wish you happy birthday. I was thinking that 1970 is the best year. You were born, I was born. Anyway, every time I go back to how we met, I smile. Do you remember the metro platform in Rotterdam? That we looked at each other, you came over, asked me if I wanted to go for a coffee, and I came. So if I think about my mom, if she knew, she would be like, oh my god, what she's doing. But then I trusted you, you trusted me, and we've been friends ever after. I really think this is amazing. I really do. And I think it's amazing. You are amazing as a person. I cherish you. I really think you are a wonderful man. You've become a wonderful man, a wonderful father, and I'm so happy and lucky that you're still in my life, and that's why I wanted to wish you a super gorgeous happy birthday. And I wanted to add that as we're parting both 50 years this year in this lockdown situation, it would be wonderful if we could just party next year, the 51, the 50 plus 1 together. Isn't it a good idea? Happy birthday, buon compleanno Karan, with all my love.
You know, Karan, that maybe I have an idea. Happy birthday!
Hi, Karan.
Hi, Karan.